Question Document Examination. Judicial affidavit as an expert witness. Signature specimen comparison using ISB method. I am Mike Sanji Kiluano, a question document examiner assigned at the Forensic Group Regional Office. I graduated with a degree in criminology and underwent specialized training and question document examination, particularly in handwriting and signature analysis. My duties include the examination and comparison of question signatures and handwriting specimen for court purposes. I was requested to examine and compare the question signature appearing on the above the screen with the blown genuine signature of GBB Anog provided as a standard specimen for comparison. In conducting the examination, I use the ISB methodology, a recognized forensic methodology which stands for analysis, comparison, evaluation, and verification. Analysis. As I analyze the document, I first conducted a detailed examination of the question signature and the known standard signature separately using magnification and visual examination technique. During the analysis, I examined the following handwriting characteristics: letter formations and style, slant and alignment, spacing between letters and words, pen pressure and stroke quality, connecting strokes and thin lips, rhythm, speed, and fluency of writing, beginning and terminal strokes, proportion and relative size of letters. The question signature displayed natural handwriting movement, smooth line quality, consistent pen pressure, and no indication of tracing, simulation, hesitation, or patching. Next is the comparison. As I compare the question signature with the known genuine signature feature by feature, the examination revealed substantial similarities and identical individual characteristic between question signature and standard signatures, especially in the formation of capital and lowercase letter, stroke sequence and direction, alignment and spacing patterns, pen pressure distribution, connecting strokes and curves, speed, rhythm, and fluency of execution. The similarities observed were significant, repeated, and consistent throughout the signature examined. No fundamental difference were found that would indicate authorship by another person. Any minor variation noted are considered natural variation commonly present in genuine signatures and written by the same individual under different conditions. Next is the evaluation. Based on the analysis and comparison conducted, the question signature is consistent and identical with the known genuine signatures of GBB Anog. The handwriting characteristic observed establish a strong basis for common authorship. Last is the verification. So the findings and conclusions were reviewed and verified in accordance with accepted forensic document examination procedures to ensure accuracy, reliability, and objectivity. So as to the conclusion, based on my professional examination, training experience, and within a reasonable degree of scientific certainty, it is my expert opinion that the question signature appearing above on the screen was genuinely written by the same person. And that's it all. Thank you.